Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it yesterday, and then today. I'm not sure at what point, but another reverse split is coming. So surprise, surprise! If you followed this one before, then I'm sure you're not shocked. And heck, even if you've been following the videos for the past few days, I kept mentioning a case of deja vu with the chart acting a certain way. And sure enough, the chart, a great real life example of how charts can be leading indicators of news. And yeah, the chart was acting this way because, well, people knew that, there was something bad happening, and the reverse split kind of confirmed that. Now, the one thing is, oh, Clay, the chart's going to be irrelevant. No, it's not. All that's going to change is this over here. The pattern will remain the same, but the only difference is the share prices will change and go up because that's just how a reverse split works. So the chart is still totally relevant. Patterns, trends, all that will remain the same, but again, just the share price is going to change, but everything else moves in proportion. So as far as the pattern that I mentioned, it's really what I talked about yesterday and just remains the case is the downward stair steps. I mean, every single day for the past several days, the bulls just cannot support the price, and the bears just keep on pressing down to newer and newer lows. And then you can see right here, again, a circle back. Each one of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because you look there. Big red candle, big volume, but that does make sense, right? People just wanted to get out before the reverse split and, get out before the weekend. So a lot of sellers showed up in that final half an hour of the day and drove the price down. But that is regardless still the key pattern that needs to be, watched even after the reverse split. Can the bulls break out of this downtrend? And as I've said in past videos and will continue to say, the very simplistic way to measure the strength of the bears, as long as the price is down below that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, the bears are in total control of the trend, total control, essentially of the entire chart. So we'll see what happens with it next week. But all in all, this one has made nice bounces in the past, and with the way the reverse split's going to change the share structure, make the float a little bit smaller, we could probably see some pretty big moves coming up. So we'll see what happens with it next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click that image right there and I will email you the guide. The guide is very short, it's to the point, and like I said, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.